Hello guys! Since we are continuing our lessons about how to make thousands of dollars in each trade with a small account, the second thing that you should be aware of is the way to search for these stocks. Okay? It's not all small stocks are good to buy, because here we are, I am not speaking here about day trading. You can do day trading also, but for me, I'm looking for short-term trading, which is called swing trading. Now, in swing trading, we should stay and hold the stock for more days, okay, many days or weeks or months, depending on the stock. Okay, so it's not a very quick thing. I will be talking about this later in another video about this thing. So try to search for stocks that is moving fast. Okay, let's say a stock is $10. Let's say a stock is $1. The next day it goes to $1.10. Now understand that 10 cents from $1, it is 10%. Okay? 10%, it means if you put $1,000, if it goes 10 cents, you will be making $100. So we are not looking for day trading. Okay? We are looking for short term. It means these stocks must trend, and this is the most important thing. And this is what I do as I trade in my stocks. This is what I do in the majority of my time. I don't day trade that much. It's rare I day trade. I have been day trading before, but I find that swing trading or following trends makes the most money for me and for everybody who wants to use my strategies, for example, or just to hold the stock for more days, more weeks, more months. And maybe you said, oh, this is impossible. How can a stock goes for many months? And I made a live video, and each week I make a video where I am and I put my techniques, and I stayed 5 months and 2 weeks. Okay, 5 months and 2 weeks in this trade. The stock was $13. Okay, it's not a penny stock because it's under $5, but it is a small stock. So this stock goes from $13 to $21. Okay, so I make a lot of money out of this. It's just because the stock moves good, and I have been holding the stock for a long time. But stocks are not just go to trend for many months, or it depends. Each stock has its own trend. So for you, when you search, try to search for stocks that trend. Trend, it means it goes up day by day, 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and the more it goes up, the more you harvest the stock. It means you harvest the market. And this is how the people make thousands of dollars in each trade. Okay, I will speak about what we call pump and dump scheme stocks in next video. Okay, just to make sure you understand. Here I'm speaking about stocks that go slowly. It means, I'm not saying slowly it means it doesn't move. No, it moves, but it is not stocks that, for example, it is $1, next day it is $5 or $3 or $5. This, I will talk about these stocks in my next video. Now, what I'm talking today is how to search for these stocks that can trend. And the basic idea, these stocks should trend. Now, for you, you are not going to buy stocks that you might think that it just go for 1 day, like you see if a spike, a very big spike, and then you buy this kind of stocks. Most of the time, you will never get money from those, because these stocks, they are short breath. What does it mean? It means they don't trend. The key for these stocks is to trend for longer time. And this is why swing trading is good. It means short-term trading. It could be days. One day I bought stock at $11.50. The second day it goes to I think $19. The third day it goes to $29.55. Now this kind of stock, it moves so good that I nearly get 300%. There is a big push, okay, and I was in. But there are some stocks, as I told you, like the stock I bought lately, and I sold, or it means I exited trade after 5 months and 2 weeks, and then I sold the trade, and I got 59% of this money. Okay, so this is for searching for stocks. If you are interested to get directly to my search criteria, you can get check either my subscription or my training levels from training level 2 or 3 and 4. But if you have your own search criteria and you know how to search for these stocks using stock screener or using a list, it means you put a list of these stocks and you know how to enter and how to exit, it's okay. But for those who are very interested to know how I search for these stocks, try to see my subscription or my training levels. Okay, so we have finished with this search thing, and I say you must and you should see stocks that trend, stocks that go like a zigzag. It goes a few days up, few days down, and you see the chart. Those stocks will never trend. It means you can't make money. Just 1 day or 2 you begin make money, and the third day, fourth day it goes down, so you lose money. You lose all your profits. We are not looking for those. We are looking for other kind of stocks that can trend. Okay, so thank you very much. Please go to lesson number 3.